1 in every 26 South African women is diagnosed with breast cancer. Breast cancer not only touches the lives of women affected, but their loved ones too. The objectives of PinkDrive is to support the women of our country who need help, support and education, because if breast cancer is detected early, the chances of it being beaten are good. PinkDrive work closely with both local and regional government to identify areas where there are no mammography facilities available. Free mammograms are offered to women without medical insurance. The PinkDrive mobile mammography units are a unique concept and a perfect way to educate and connect marginalized women to information and treatment. Specialized educators provide information about breast health, perform physical breast examinations, and screen up to 25 women per day.
We chose this community firstly because we want to prioritize rural communities, but we are also fully aware that rural people are the ones without the necessary services. They are the ones that would not necessarily get the particular services that PinkDrive issues, because one, the nearest hospital is more than 100 kilometers away. So we're making sure we're selecting communities that benefit. We select communities that are rural based, because that is where you get uninsured women. That is where you get women who really need the service.
More people, according to our latest stats from the World Health Organization, are tragically dying on the African continent
that die every single year in our country because
cancer than the sum total of HIV, TB and malaria. We will never give up hope. We are here to help all the medically uninsured in South Africa.
the work PinkDrive does is incredible, and I think sometimes we don't sit back to just show gratitude for the kind of work they do. If you think about the number of women in terms of statistics that die every single year in our country because they haven't had a pap smear, here are people who go out of their way to go to the most rural of areas to give the service.
What I've loved about this initiative is the fact that through the partnership with Corporate SA, that we can help government in partnership to clear the backlogs, but more especially educate so that people can detect their conditions earlier. And I think as Corporate SA, what could be more rewarding?
From a perspective of Department of Health, we really appreciate the work PinkDrive is doing. We are aware that cancer has become a major, burden of one of the major burdens in our society. We do have our own programs with national, provincial levels, with screening programs, mass campaigns, but that is not enough, especially in terms of public awareness, public screening, which is where PinkDrive is very strong. So we really appreciate that work, and we're looking forward for stronger collaboration.
The breast cancer is a #1 killer, and we know if you detect it early, you can survive. That is why we brought the truck here. And I would like to say thank you to the guys from the PinkDrive. Thank you so much, guys. And to all the ladies that did the test, you did the right thing. You did the right thing. Testing is the right thing to do. You go, girls.
Initiatives of this nature help the communities to understand the importance of their health, but also they get support that they would ordinarily not get on a day-to-day basis. So organizations like PinkDrive and the work that they do makes a huge contribution in really helping our communities and supporting them. We started very early in the morning, and people keep coming in and they participating in all the activities that are being done. So it shows you that people are very happy, they're very engaged, and they appreciate your being here. It's a great contribution, and that's why more and more corporates and even government must make an effort really to support NGOs who do such commendable work.